What's up from Osaka? So this is my third time in Osaka, so welcome once more time. 2019 Osaka trip. Okay, so lots of things happened today and most of the things were like so funny. It's so funny that something that I can't even explain and can't even share. Right now I'm heading to Shinsaibashi station. So I'm gonna meet with someone. I think she's from Hong Kong or China. Until now, what is the update about me? I'm in Osaka, I have my host, but unfortunately it's from tomorrow. So from tomorrow I'm gonna stay with someone until Sunday, but tonight I'm not sure what I'm gonna do and I don't have any host. So I'm gonna find something, and until now update is I'm gonna meet with someone through couch surfing. It's a kind of hangout, if you know about that. So I just finished one beer and we ate few fried chicken and like something else. So now we are planning to go to somewhere like there's an international like hangout or something like that. So we are trying to find it and hope there will be lots of cool people. So yeah. I was looking for this shop early. Okay, so as I said before, after finishing my little dinner at that restaurant, now we are heading to join one international party, and before that I met with someone. This guy is from Peru.
Yeah.
What's your name?
I'm Alex from Peru.
Alex from Peru.
Lama Machu Picchu.
Yeah, and we have another guest also. So now we are three people as a not like a bad group. So we are really expecting to have like a great get-together party over there. But let's see what is waiting for us, but we'll let you know. More people are coming, and finally we found the place, and it seems like it's not so bad, but we are not really sure yet. Let's see what kind of place is this.
Oh, more people.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah.
If you don't have it, you're out.
Hello.
See the wings on every pair. All you see is really boys. You know my niggas everywhere.
Yeah, like any kind of beer is okay. What is your name?
Selena,
Where are you from?
Switzerland.
So why did you come to Japan?
To see the cherry blossoms and drink sake and sing karaoke.
Kanpai! So we ate takoyaki and we had a couple of beers, And now we are planning to go back our home, and we had really wonderful time. As I said, like I met with one of my new friends from where?
Switzerland.
From Switzerland. And we made the plan that we will come back like to meet again, and we are making new plans, and there will be so much crazy things to show you guys. So see you again. Bye bye.